My name is Kelly Hood with Optic Cyber Solutions, and I wanted to personally invite you to an upcoming workshop that we have called Secure Your Business, Build a Cybersecurity Program that Works for You. At this workshop, we're having an in-person event where we'll leverage Optic's Workbook of Cyber Blueprints to tailor a cybersecurity program around the NIST Cybersecurity Framework. This workshop is designed to help you build a cybersecurity program that works for you, not against you. Walk away with an information security plan and tips for determining where your company should focus its resources. Whether you're a small business owner or an IT professional, this event is designed to equip you with the tools and knowledge necessary to enhance your organization's cybersecurity strategy. Our expert speakers will share their knowledge and insights on the latest cybersecurity trends, best practices, and strategies to protect your valuable data. So please come join us to network with like-minded professionals, engage in interactive discussions, and gain practical tips to fortify your business against cyber threats. You won't want to miss this opportunity, so mark your calendars for Thursday, October 19th, 2023, and secure your spot today. We'll see you there.